Do you want to find out how everyone in your life, even some people who aren't in your life yet and may come into your life, how they're so important to you? It's amazing. Let's find out. Hello, back again. Here we go. As always, subscribe. Very high voice. Lots of good sleep last night. Absolutely smashing the sleep. Amazing. Good day. Day went like that. These last couple of weeks, I keep mentioning about this kind of that's going on. I absolutely am super kind of pumped and happy, and I've never been in such a good place for a long time. And yeah, I'm truly grateful for what's caused that.
Well, thank you.
I'm going to keep it nice and vague, but yeah.
Awesome!
Why are all these people in your life, and people who haven't come into your life that will come into your life, why are they all so important? Well, it's very simple. From a quote that my friend Brian Finale said, everyone you will ever meet knows something more than you. So if you think about that quote, it's quite amazing, it's quite powerful. And it's something I've, I suppose, always thought about as the same idea. I've always said you can learn something off everyone. And you may think, that can't be true, you know, surely not. But you can, because we are all individuals, we are all unique. Each of us will have some sort of knowledge of something that you don't know.
I don't know.
You can really learn something of everybody in your life. And I said, people who aren't in your life, when they come into your life, you can learn something off them. And it's hugely powerful, because if you think like that, you realise just how amazing we are as humans, and you are, and how unique we all are, and how much value we all have individually to the world, to the universe. It's just an amazing thing, because it's so easy to go off and go, oh yeah, that person, you know, you have an opinion about them based on what they've done or what they've said, and you think, you know, they're not particularly intelligent, you know, they've got nothing that I could learn from. But there may be something that they have that you don't know, and knowing that extra piece of information could enhance your life, could add some value to something. You don't know. That's the point. We don't know. And unless you've got every single piece of information of every single person in the world, you can't make the statement that person can't teach me anything, because even like after speaking to them, they will then go off and do something in their life, and they'll learn something that you haven't learned, or experience something you haven't experienced. And so it's hugely powerful that everyone in your life and not in your life can teach you something. It's a different subject of whether or not you particularly are interested or want to or need to know that piece of information. That's not what I'm saying. Because if that person knows loads and loads about motor racing, and you've got zero interest in motor racing, or need any kind of information or data or anything on motor racing, that's perhaps not a useful interaction that you would get from getting that information. But that's also not the point. The point is that everybody knows something you don't. So it's the acceptance of that, is that everyone has got their own knowledge and skills and experiences that they've gone through in their life, whatever age, that is very different to you. And therefore, they may have something that could be useful for you because they have things that are different to what you've experienced. And that even if two people experience the same thing at the same time, they're going to experience it in a different way. Their mind is going to process it in a very different way. And so they might take a different opinion of that situation to you, even though you literally experienced the same thing at the same time. It's amazing. And that just highlights how unique and amazing we are as individuals, and how much you are of value to the world. Because switching it round, there's loads of things that you know, you've experienced, you've done, that other people around you haven't and don't know. So therefore you've got value to impart onto others of various things, and understanding that and realizing that makes you just amazing. And that's, I think, the point of this. It's not that you can necessarily just learn something from everyone you meet, but also, see, when you switch it around, realize that you too are one of the people in this conversation, and therefore you yourself have experiences, values, knowledge, etc., that you can add value to other people, whatever it may be.
What do you like to do?
And this is the thing, I think it's often people think, well, you know, I haven't done anything, I don't know anything, I don't really done anything with my life, and kind of be really sort of down on themselves. It's trying to break that open and go, look, you know, you've got some amazing things that have happened to you, and they could be bad things, you know, don't get me wrong, it's not all swings and roundabouts, unicorns and rainbows and My Little Ponies.
I don't feel any different.
Often, you know, it's bad, really terrible experiences that if you've gone through those, that can help other people, you know, hugely help them, because other people could also be going through that same situation in a worse way or a better way. But being able to empathise with someone who's actually been through a very similar situation is huge. And to say, I understand what you're going through because I've gone through this thing and it's similar, and this is what I did and this is what helped me. And that empathy is massive. If someone's struggling with something and really going through a shitty time, and you could empathise with them and help them and kind of, you know, be on their same level, not just kind of preaching advice, but really like, you know I've done this, I've been through this, and this is what helped me. Bang, you know, if you help one person in the world through doing something like that,
Amazing.
and so the realization that each of us as individuals have something, a knowledge, experience, or whatever, to give to others in the world. And it could be one person, could be a million people. You know, it doesn't matter, because just helping one, I said, is just an amazing thing. It's all about that sort of sharing and empathy and just helping. And once you realize that you have an amazing amount of value and knowledge and experience that you can literally share and give to other people. What I'm talking about is just accepting the fact that you have such intrinsic value as a human being and as a great, unique person in this world. Then just, you can then help and just go into the world and kind of impart that knowledge. I want you to understand how uniquely amazing and valuable you are as you, being you, not trying to be anything else. Forget all that. Just you being you in your life, living your best life and whatever you love to do, and living that that authenticity and that truth, and just realize and understand that you are amazing. And just, you know, it's I'm almost failing with words.
No, sir, I don't like it.
Which for me is weird.
But just embrace that, you know, really embrace your uniqueness and your amazingness. Once you do that and accept that we're all unique, we're all amazing, and you are included in that, as am I, we all are. Accept that, and then we're on a massively good direction for an amazing life. Whew. Right, that's all I've got time for today. I hope you really did get some value from it. If you did, smash that like button so it's nice and blow. And please, if you haven't, subscribe. I love it. We're still 103. 100. Come on, guys. Let's get to 200. Let's see if we can get to 200. I'll be so happy and grateful. Sort of the more people I can kind of get this content out to, the better. It's not about the numbers, but it's more about the people that I can preach my monologues and funny videos too. So that'd be amazing if you could share, comment, all the good stuff. But for now, thanks again for watching. Appreciate you all, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Thanks again for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do so down here, and check out my other video down here. And remember, live your best life and profit from that passion. See you next time. Bye-bye.